Adding a Python interpreter in PyCharm involves configuring the IDE to use a specific Python installation. Here's a step-by-step guide. Open PyCharm. Launch PyCharm on your computer. Create or open a project. You can either open an existing project or create a new one by clicking on New Project or Open. Access project settings. Once your project is open, go to File, Settings. Navigate to Python Interpreter Settings. In the Settings or Preferences dialog, navigate to Project, Python Interpreter. Add a new interpreter. Click on the gear icon next to the current interpreter drop-down menu. Select Add from the drop-down menu. Choose Interpreter Type. In the Add Python Interpreter dialog, you can choose from different types of interpreters. Virtual ENV environment. Create a new virtual environment or use an existing one. Conda environment. Use a Conda environment if you have Anaconda installed. System interpreter. Select a system-wide Python installation. Select the interpreter. For a system interpreter, click System Interpreter and then use the File Explorer to locate your Python executable. For virtual environments or Conda environments, follow the prompts to create or select the appropriate environment. Apply and confirm. Click OK to confirm your selection and apply to save the settings. PyCharm will configure the selected interpreter for your project. Verify configuration. You can verify the interpreter is set correctly by checking the Python interpreter settings under File, Settings, Project. Your project name, Python interpreter.